Hi and welcome to Preschool Genius. In this video, we will learn about one of the strongest animals in the world, a hippo. Yes! Are you ready? Let's start with some cool facts about hippos. The hippopotamus, sometimes known as a hippo, is the third largest land animal in the world after elephants and rhinoceros. Hippos are enormous animals. They may reach lengths of up to 10 feet, heights of 5 feet at the shoulder, and weights over 7,000 pounds. They also have a huge head, short legs, and a body resembling a barrel. Also, their hide is incredibly thick, and it is almost entirely hairless and grayish-brown in color. Their skin releases an oily fluid that appears red in the sunlight. This chemical could serve as sunscreen, according to scientists. As large semi-aquatic mammals, hippos like to spend most of their time in rivers and lakes to remain cool during the blistering African heat. The unique thing is their eyes, nose, and ears are situated on top of their heads, which gives them the ability to see and breathe underwater. Another interesting fact is that when a hippo submerges completely, its nose and ears are immediately shut to prevent any water from leaking in. They can hold their breath for nearly 5 minutes and are excellent swimmers, and they can even walk along the bottoms of rivers and lakes. There are two different species of hippos, the larger one, which is a more common hippo, and the smaller one, the pygmy hippo. Only Africa, south of the Sahara, is home to these majestic animals, and the most significant numbers can be found in the eastern and southeastern parts of the continent. Hippos are also most active at night when they forage for food. They are herbivores and eat mostly grass, and boy, I mean a lot of grass. In just one night they can guzzle down up to 35 kilograms of their favorite grub. No wonder they have enormous bodies. Another surprising fact is, did you know hippos are among Earth's deadliest and most dangerous creatures? Among all the huge animals in Africa, they are the ones who have killed the most people. When provoked, they become incredibly hostile and will attack others without hesitation. They also can easily outrun a human despite seeming to be incredibly overweight, and they can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. They may grow up to a foot-long tusk on each of their two massive front teeth. When you combine their size, speed, aggressiveness, and long teeth together, you get one dangerous beast. That's why no animals try to hunt or fight adult hippos, because they are so big and powerful. Even predators like crocodile, lion, or hyena didn't want to get too close to hippo territory. All the characteristics are enough to classify hippos as highly aggressive animals because they will attack anything or anyone trying to hurt or threaten them. Females will attack predators attempting to harm their young, and they have been known to attack other hippos trying to invade their area. Typically, hippos live in herds or groups of 10 to 20 individuals led by a single, powerful, dominant male. Dominant males are very protective over their group. They're gonna expand their enormous lips and flash their big, curved teeth to scare off competing males. Moreover, they roar and splash the water violently. So scary. In their groups they also make various noises to communicate with one another. These different noises have been compared to honks, growls, whines, and squeaks. At times, it also resembles the sound of human laughter. Fascinatingly, hippos can distinguish between friends and enemies by smelling their poop or dung. They frequently use middens or open spaces to relieve themselves. Then they may use their noses to detect visitors and determine if they are considered friends. Typically, hippos can live for about 40 years in the wild. They often live longer and can live up to 50 years if kept in captivity. Right now, hippos are not listed as endangered but are considered vulnerable to extinction. The amount of habitat destruction and poaching against hippos is alarming. The two main contributors to habitat fragmentation are climate change and natural catastrophes fueled by human activities. You can help hippos and other animals by lessening your meat consumption and carbon footprint on Earth. That's it. I hope you enjoyed learning about hippos with me today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.